Have you ever wondered how chefs maintain their ability to taste the subtle flavors of every dish they create? Today, we'll explore why and how chefs cleanse between tastings. Chefs constantly sample their dishes to ensure perfection. Over time, strong flavors can dull the senses, making it hard to taste accurately. This is where palate cleansing comes in. A good palate cleansing comes in. A good palate cleanser removes food residue from the tongue and mouth, allowing chefs to assess new flavors more accurately. For example, at Boomtown Steakhouse in Nevada, a mango sorbet and sparkling wine are used. Parsley is another popular choice due to its high water content, which helps cleanse the palate. Its slightly bitter notes also stimulate taste buds, enhancing flavor perception. Water acts as an effective cleanser between tasting spirits like rum, gin, whiskey, or tequila. After each sip, water rinses the palate of residual flavors. In whiskey tastings, cleansing between samples can improve taste accuracy. While it's not always necessary, especially for experienced tasters, it ensures each flavor stands out. By using palate cleansers like sorbet, parsley, and water, chefs and sommeliers keep their taste buds fresh and ready for each new flavor experience. Now you know why cleansing the palate is crucial in culinary arts. Which cleanser surprised you most? Share your thoughts in the comments.